What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. And what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this liquefied background, how to make a liquefied background on your iOS device. This actually also works on Android because the app we're going to use is also on Android, so you can do this on Android too. But yeah, guys, we're actually really close to 3,000. So by the time I upload this video, we should almost practically be there. But we're really close right now, as of now at least. But anyways, without taking too long, let's just get right into the video. So the app you're gonna want to get is this app called right here, Pixart. It's for completely free, so you don't have to worry about paying anything. It's just free, so just get it from the App Store. So then we're just gonna open it up, and then what we're gonna do is just press the plus button right here and press edit.
Doesn't really matter.